FolderSync enables easy file sync for your private file servers and the cloud. If we go to the account screen here, you can see we added 2 accounts for Dropbox and our own Nextcloud server, but many more are available. If we go to the folder pairs sections, we can see we already added 2 folder pairs to sync files to and from these accounts. The Dropbox one is green, indicating last sync was successful. It would be red if it failed for some reason. Let's look at it. We can see some files were transferred. Let's go back to the folder pairs overview. The sync for photos to Nextcloud is gray, indicating it has not yet been synced. We can see various info on the folder pair card, but you can always click it for a lot more configuration. If we go back to the account screen, let's take a look at the account configuration options. The account screen options are very dependent on the type of account you add. For Dropbox, we can see storage used, storage remaining, and so on. We can also unlink or test if account is working. Let's go back and choose the Nextcloud account. Here you need to specify the server used and login credentials. This will also work on local network. Let's see the folder pairs again. This Nextcloud sync has not yet been synced. Maybe we should see what the folders contains currently. Let's go to the File Manager. Here in the File Manager, we have chosen on the left side the local folder on our PC from the Nextcloud folder pair. On the right, we have the remote Nextcloud folder chosen. We can see they are not in sync and have different files in them. When we sync, the contents of these 2 folders should become identical. You can also copy files manually in the File Manager, but it's easier to make the sync do it. So let's go back to the folder pairs. Here we can click to start the sync. We can also sync on a schedule if we want. Let's click on the button again to open the active sync status screen. Here we can see the sync is running and checking files and transferring data. Let's wait until the sync completes. How long the sync takes depends on the number of files and their size. Also, some servers may support faster data transfer than others. Okay, the sync should finish now. Now if we go back to the folder pairs, the photos sync is green, indicating the sync was successful. Let's refresh the data, and we should see the folders now contain the same files.